completing the line of 9 runners for the second race. Starters orders, a weedy jump out, good line out by all the contestants with Khan Sahib towards the fence. La Romance now takes the charge, goes well into the lead by about a length and a half in front of Sprint Legend on the outside of Khan Sahib, followed by line of 3 with News Star, Dance close to the fence Charlie Brown. A length and a half behind is Desert Moon on the outside of Cash Landing, 2 away, Top Starchy. Crossing the 800 now, La Romance by about 3 parts in front of Sprint Legend in pursuit, followed by News Star close to the fence, joined on the outside by Dance, then comes Khan Sahib, a length behind Cash Landing, relegating to third last is Charlie Brown, half a length behind Top Starchy, and last, drifting back to last is Desert Moon as they start to negotiate the turn. And back to the leader with La Romance now extending well by about 3.5 lengths in front of Sprint Legend. Khan Sahib into a clear second. News Star followed by Dance. Sprint Legend hard ridden between the runners, anticipating the opening is Cash Landing, followed by Top Starchy now into moving into a clear third. Then comes Charlie Brown, but inside the last 150, La Romance has kicked clear by about 5 lengths in front of Khan Sahib, Top Starchy, and La Romance wins back-to-back double for this horse, winning very easily by about 5 lengths in front of Khan Sahib, second, followed by Top Starchy, Cash Landing, Dance